Hi, my name is Vikki Morris. I'm the Environmental Manager for Evans Vanodine. Evans Vanodine is a manufacturer of janitorial cleaning products and livestock protection products based in Preston. We've been manufacturing these types of products for over 100 years now, and expanded our business to export to about 83 countries all over the world. So as the environmental manager for the site, I'm responsible for looking after our ISO standards, looking after the waste that goes off site, investigating improvements, particularly environmentally, like energy or water. I'm responsible for what we do with our wastewater and waste chemicals, and where all our waste going off site is collected to. It's a full job. There's a lot of different sections to my days. I focus on things from basic environmental issues through to more theoretical sustainability issues. We are looking towards making the business more sustainable and introducing more environmental controls as part of this. So my career path is slightly unusual, although I'm now fully qualified in environmental management, and I have a diploma in sustainable business practices. I started off doing A-levels in sciences, and then after I finished college I went running pubs. So I worked in pub management for about 5 years until I found a job in a quality control laboratory, and from there I've worked through the quality control laboratory, learning quality systems and how to test products, what to look for when troubleshooting, how to audit, and I've worked through quality control into environmental management, which is where I am today. So I find my job very rewarding when changes that I want actually happen, and we actually make good improvements, reduce our carbon footprint, reduce how much water we've used, be able to use recycled plastic in some of our materials, and from the quality side, I've always enjoyed solving a problem. So when different problems with different chemicals arise, I like looking into that and finding out whether there's something we can do about it, some way to fix it. I do like investigating and solving a problem. So my advice for people starting out and going through college and university is it's not always going to turn out how you think it will happen. I found it was a lot easier to study when I was younger, your age, doing my A-levels. All my qualifications since my A-levels I've done whilst working. I did my diploma whilst I was working, and it was a lot more difficult because you're working full-time, trying to find time in the evenings, at weekends to complete studying, and you don't retain the information as much. So yeah, I would say education is key, but it doesn't have to be all done at the same time. It is possible to do it later in life, and it does work later in life.